What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, you are in for a huge treat because this is a very huge Canvas beauty haul. And it's also day 4 of Vlogmas. You guys, we are going strong with Vlogmas. I am getting more and more comfortable with recording every day as well as editing and getting a video to you guys. I cut it close one day and I got it up by midnight. But hey, we're doing good and I'm happy that you guys are sticking around for Vlogmas. And this is definitely a video that I've been meaning to do over the last couple of months. So as you can see, I have lots of products here behind me. This is our sister here, who is the black owner of Canvas Beauty. I'm pretty sure you have seen her picture floating around, and she definitely is rocking her own long natural hair. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and get into this unboxing, this haul, because I am now a Canvas Beauty girl and I'm very excited. This video is not sponsored, but over the last few months I've definitely spent quite a coin on accumulating lots of products. I've heard lots of great things about these products. I can't wait to do some reviews and demos for you guys. So let's just jump right in and see what items I got. But before I do want to let you guys know that right now today they have a sale going on that is the end of their cyber sale. So right now, if you go to their website, you can get up to 70% discount on some of these items that I probably paid full price for. I'm sure I paid full price for most of these because I bought them well before Cyber Monday and Black Friday. So let's jump in. So this first box of items here, this is the box that I got most recently. And this one actually came with a free edge control. So I'll show you that first. It's called Edge Bay. And I'm very excited to see what this will do for me. It says your edges will sleek, fall in love. So that's that. And then, of course, we got lots of little foam bubbles here. And this is the Moisture Moolah, and this is a shampoo, and I got the conditioner. So I am definitely excited. It says that it's for all hair types, so I'm going to definitely be using that. And I believe that is one of their newest products that they came out with. These are a few of their OG products. There was so many of them that I just put them all in this big box. But I definitely kind of purchased a little at a time. But let me just give you a peek. Yeah, that's a lot of products. So first and foremost, I definitely have the famous oil that they have here, this growth oil. It's a hair blossom serum. And I actually got 2 of those. So that is one of them. And here's the second one. And then since I realized they had the up to 70% sale going on, I went ahead and bought another one today. So all in all, I'm going to have a total of 3. And I'm hoping my hair is going to really begin to flourish after this, because I don't plan on buying a whole bunch more products after this, you guys. This is a lot of products. Anywho, let's keep going. Here's another card, another picture of her. All right. And so then I also got the hair follicle booster. So this one you're supposed to use before using the shampoo. So I got a shampoo, the regular shampoo that they had, the first shampoo. I got that one as well, but you're supposed to use this before that one. So I got that. And here is the conditioner that goes with that one. Kind of a pink color. And then here's the shampoo that you're supposed to use before the follicle booster. So you're supposed to use those 3 together. So I'm definitely excited to get in. I'm going to do some product reviews on this stuff as well. It's definitely coming. And so then the next thing I want to show you guys is a leave-in conditioner. And so this is the yellow one. It just says Full Bloom Leave-In Conditioner. And then I also got a leave-in conditioner mist. So this is definitely something that I don't have a whole lot of. In my list of hair products that I have, I was lacking leave-in conditioner. So I'm happy to have a nice creamy leave-in conditioner as well as a mist. So it came with two tops. I got this one here, the regular one that kind of just cracks open. And then I also got this one on the side for the spray. So that is awesome. Next we have, and I believe this is the last item, lots of cards. Next we have this is a Infinity Deep Conditioner. And so that is definitely awesome because I'm always looking for a good deep conditioner. So I have this product as well. So let me go ahead and make sure that is everything. So as you can see, I have a nice amount of Canvas Beauty products so that I can use well into the end of this year as well as next year as well. I don't plan on running out of products anytime soon, and hopefully by the time I need some more, maybe they will go ahead and sponsor me, right? So yeah guys, so this is my Canvas Beauty haul. You can imagine how hard it's been to wait to bust open any of these products, but I definitely waited just so that I can share it with you guys. And so thank you very much for watching this video. Continue to watch and support my hair journey. Once I start using all these products, I'm pretty sure it's going to take my hair to the next level just from all the research that I've done on these products and all of the result videos I've seen. And so hang out with me, you guys. I'm going to do a product review on every last one of these. I'm definitely going to be doing some follow-up videos as well, especially with the growth serum. And so right now my hair is flourishing pretty well with what I've used all year, but I'm definitely ready to take it to the next level. My hair has pretty much gotten to a point where it's between 8 inches on this side, and I actually measured a piece today that was 10 inches over here. So I'm like, okay, so we're getting them inches, you guys. I'm definitely happy about that. And so I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. Thank you so much for following my Vlogmas. You guys, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification if you have not subscribed already. And again, I am TiarreaB, and I am out. Bye.